fire! I always amazed to see how the chef at any hibachi restaurant cook. They do have to have a very high confidence, not just for cooking, but to perform few tricks for their customers. What's up, wonderful people? Today's vlog is going to be a little different than usual. Today is a story time. Today is my firstborn son's birthday. My wife once said that it is not easy to raise a child, and I agree with her. To raise a child requires commitment and dedication. We all want our kids to grow and be successful, and of course, to be happy and healthy. So today we take him to one of our favorite hibachi restaurants. Ladies and gentlemen, Tokyo Hibachi. We are now at the stage of preparing him to get into a good high school. We try not to pressure him too much, but of course we also want to inspire him to have a goal. At the same time, we want him to be able to socialize with many people. Good people, of course. But we as his parents, we definitely want him to feel comfortable with us to share about anything. I know it will get harder when he reaches teens. That's why we want to make sure we are always available for him, and we start early. And this is our second born, Zion. Very expressive and very happy boy. By the way, he's pretty popular in our family TikTok account. Check it out. I always amazed to see the chef at any hibachi restaurant cook. They have to have a very high confidence, not just to cook but performs a few tricks for their customers. The chef here is actually our friend. He works in this restaurant for a while now, and we always want him to cook for us every time we come here to dine. We come from Indonesia, and the chef is also from Indonesia, so he knows how we like our food. That's pretty cool. He then can customize the sauce and the ingredients special just for us. Awesome. Oh, thank you. Happy birthday. Happy
Terus gue lebih kasih satu. Tenang aja. So, medium. Cuma medium.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this food and story time, don't forget to like and consider to subscribe to our channel. More great and yummy contents are coming to you. See ya!